That's a lot.
Big flies.
All the way through here, they were a month ago and they're everywhere.
Butterflies. They're all over the place. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, there he is. Hello.
You can. Just don't fall in.
I wouldn't get away from it in a hurry.
It won't go too far. You get it?
Yeah, beautiful. Look.
No, nowhere near it. No.
They just have a lot of hair on their jaw.
Oh, he's big.
It will stay there and pretend it can't see us and pretend we can't see it. And as soon as we get up here, it'll just slide in the water and take off. It's gone.
See, they could play good sketches.
Not that tall, are they? 6 foot at least. Yeah. More.
How long ago did
There we go. He doesn't like visitors. Doesn't like visitors.
He's going to keep an eye on us.
Oh, that's so relaxing seeing the float.
He's hoping one of us puts a hand in the water.
Who volunteers?
The whole, like, looking
You want to
really
do
where
this
we're
on
going.
me?
Where does he go?
Straight under.
Do you want to do this on
Just say hi to them.
With a cross.
Quite a while.
They're gonna hitch a ride.
Quite often we'll be coming along, you
Lots
see
of
bubbles in front of you and keep trailing.
okay.
If the bubbles come up and they just dribs and drab, normally they're turtles,
Oh yeah.
but otherwise they're
All those colours.
Yeah, and we used to have on an average about 18 through here. We're up to about 10.
Crocodile?
Another one.
The crocodile just jump right away to
He
water.
doesn't like visitors.
Dive off.
Straight off of that rock.
It was on
Oh, nice smooth.
I can't see an elephant, maybe a foot or something, but I can't see an elephant. Yeah. Some of the guide they used to call it elephants, you know, and then maybe an elephant's foot or something, big thump, but no.
What did the croc see?
So would that wash down
Yeah,
in
that
here,
washed
or
down.
would it be part of a tree that was very prehistoric?
Beautiful, right?
So nearly all the sticks here come down the last block.
Nice. Wow.
It's a wide, it was only 150 mil, but it's come down, we had to.
That looks like the end of the journey.
I think we're at the end of the road.
This is as far as we can go, unfortunately.
Oh, look at that.
It's been wonderful. Absolutely wonderful.
Yeah, you people are going to be up the front.
I'm in the middle. We'll be in the same place.
Yeah, but you fellas have got to row back. That's
Oh, a little nudge.
It's a full family business, so it's very.
You want to get over here? Nobody heard.
that little bit of rock.
Hey, we usually see 3 crocs. So is it?
No, not a lot, no. We see every now and again, but not many.
Soap tree over there. You get a big branch, lather it, feels like soap.
Yeah. Take the option and get them to
Bandage tree.
Yeah, we're the only ones that sit here trying to catch them.
Bushwalking.
mash it up and make a paste, and they used to use it for then it's poisonous, so you got to be really careful. The outside's not. They say that you could actually probably swallow it whole and it won't hurt you. But I haven't seen a volunteer that wants
Just
to do it
don't
for
break
me, so
it.
I've asked for volunteers, but no one wants to try it for me. So and use it to rub on it, and that's softer than that.
They make a lot of fence posts out of their gidgey tree as well.
They do, yeah. It's very hard.
But don't worry, down our way we get a tea.
And this tree.
Yeah, that was the gidgee tree. Gidgee, whatever, gidgee. It's poisonous. Like, if you break the seed, it could kill a person. That's cool. No, that's not cool. That's scary. Anyway, I'm left behind a flock. I need to catch up. But yeah, it's a nice walk here. Nice walk around. You can see the rocks from there. But the gorge is awesome. It's really nice. Now I need to catch up. Bushwalks at the okay, bushwalk with the rest of the group here. Yeah, lots of nice plants. Lots of weird plants, like what I said earlier, the gidgee. The seed could kill a person if you're gonna break it, touch your skin or something. No, be on a wound or maybe a cut, might kill a person. Evil. Okay, we're just up the gorge, just walking around, just checking the place out. Nice.
The queen termite lives for about 15 years to 20 years. Yeah, but she will lay anywhere between 2,000 and 3,000 eggs per day.
So yeah, the gorge is under there, and we're just hanging up here to the top of it. Just gonna head there now. So yeah, it's been a nice day, nice weather.
Fantastic, isn't it?
She goes on top of the rock. Typical lore.
I didn't know where he was.
Hey Ray!
I got one of you, Bobby boy. I got one of you.
Gorge. The gorge is gorgeous. Just not too.
Hey, you three.
Yeah, currently I'm at the cobbold gorge, and yeah, we're having fun here. The place is just so nice, so nice. Yeah. So yeah, it's a fun day at the cobbold Cobbold Gorge. And yeah, it's not a national park, it's a nature. I don't know. Yeah, I forgot what I'm gonna say. Anyway, we're heading back now. Nice place. Nice place. Come over to Cairns, do the 5-hour drive to Cobbold Gorge. You'll enjoy it. I love the gorge. It's so narrow and so nice. Yeah. Having a bit of a snack here because we'll be having dinner there. So after the tour, the good old century tuna plus a lemon squash. Yeah, rice.
Okay pa ba ni?
That should be okay.
Dead na kaayo.
So we're heading for the we're on our way to dinner. And yeah, it's getting late, but we're gonna have a dinner now. Oh, my hair looks like shit, but yeah, we're good. We're gonna order now. Ooh, dinner. What do you have?
Pagkaon ba?
What's there?
Ang soup pa kay fatty kayo kay.
It's good.
What are you doing?
Vlogging. Lovely dinner today. Yeah. It's really cold, I can't think. But we're heading to our apartment house, which is just over there. Yeah, no words can express how we feel. Just want to go to get to bed, and we're gonna wake up early tomorrow, head back to Brownsville. Yeah, civilization.
This is civilization.
Yeah, but this is the outback. You can see the stars there. But yeah, heading back. And yes, it's cold. Even this tripod is getting cold.